If you've ever tried to pull a stubborn component off a board with nothing but a pair of tweezers and pure frustration, this one's for you. I went digging through the deals and rounded up the top 5 soldering aid kits for PCB repair, the little 6-piece sets that quietly make everything easier. Every single one of these is under $10, and honestly, they're the kind of thing you wonder how you ever worked without. Starting things off, we've got the 6-piece soldering aid kit with the double-headed tools. This is the one with the highest rating of the bunch, a 4.9 with over 4,700 sold, and that's not an accident. Because every tool is double-ended, you're basically getting 12 tips out of 6 handles, scrapers, hooks, forks, picks, the works. At $9.02 it's the priciest on this list, but it's still less than a takeout lunch, and the build quality is where the extra couple of bucks goes. If you want one kit that just handles everything, start here. Next up is the 6-piece PCB Desoldering Aid Toolkit, scraper, awl, brush, fork, hook, and push rod. What I really like about this set is the brush and the push rod combo. The brush is perfect for sweeping flux residue and solder crumbs off a board before you inspect it, and that push rod is a lifesaver for nudging through-hole components out while the solder's still molten. $6.31, 4.8 stars, and nearly identical sales numbers to our number 1. Great all-rounder for a beginner bench. Coming in third, the YW 6-piece Soldering Aid Kit. This one leans hard into the cleaning and maintenance side of things, and the handles are the standout. They're comfortable, non-slip, and they don't get hot in your hand while you're working next to a 350-degree iron, which sounds minor until you've done a 2-hour repair session. $7.59, 4.8 stars, over 4,200 sold. If you spend a lot of time cleaning up old boards or recovering salvaged parts, this is a solid pick. Number 4 is the 6-piece Desoldering Aid Toolkit, the straightforward welder assist set. Best feature here? The tips are noticeably sharp and thin, which matters a lot when you're working on modern, densely packed boards where the pads are tiny and the components are even tinier. It's $6.17, 4.8 stars, and over 3,800 sold. For fine pitch work and lifting small SMD parts without wrecking the pad next to it, this one punches way above its price. And rounding out the list, the cheapest of them all, the 6-piece Desoldering Aid Assist tool set at just $5.97. Under $6. It's still got the same 4.8 rating and nearly 3,800 sold, and it covers all the core shapes you actually need: hook, fork, scraper, pick. This is the one I'd grab as a second set to keep in a toolbox, or as a gift for somebody just getting into electronics repair. There's basically no risk at this price. All the links are down in the description, so go grab whichever one fits your bench. If this helped you out, drop a like and hit subscribe. I've got more tool roundups coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.